What's up, guys? Joe at Momentum Works. Today we're going to have a really interesting topic. We're talking about the W word, warranty. All right, guys, so we're going to talk about a couple different facets of how this is going to work. First and foremost, let's talk about warranties in general, what's covered and what's not, and how we're going to kind of change things on how we do things with our own turbos. So first we're going to start with warranties. A lot of times guys will buy a turbo, hey, what's the warranty? And a lot of people treat warranty like an insurance policy. Like, if you crash your truck and you have insurance, it gets fixed. Well, a warranty is not insurance. A warranty is only against manufacturing defect. Now, what's a manufacturer's defect? Well, anything in the manufacturing process that could in turn cause that failure. So say, for example, a faulty part was used, that would be covered under manufacturer's warranty. But here's the thing about turbos, guys. Every turbo that we sell from every brand that we sell is VSR balanced, which means it goes on a balancer before it goes in the box and comes to you. Now, the balancer has a twofold effect. First and foremost, it's to balance the turbo. And I'll put a picture of a balancer up here. Basically, you put the cartridge on the balancer and air spins the wheel, so it gets up to an operating speed, and it has oil pressure going to it. So since it has oil pressure going to it, if there was some sort of mysterious leak, and guys would say the seal is leaking, which is the stupidest thing I've ever heard, if that were the case, it would get caught on the balancer because the turbo is under oil pressure. So if there was an issue with the seal, it would start to leak oil on the balancer immediately and it would be taken off the balancer and repaired, replaced, whatever. Same thing with the turbo. Since it's coming up to operating speed, if there was a bad bearing or something was assembled incorrectly, likely the turbo would grenade right there on the balancer. So basically anything that makes its way into the box, has been under oil pressure and it's been at operating speed. So chances are there is no manufacturing issues with the part. So if there was any sort of issue, it would be caught at the balancer. If there was a leak, since it's under oil pressure, it would be caught. If there was something wrong with the balance of the turbo, it's being balanced right then, it would be caught. If the shaft is going to snap, anything like that, if a bearing is bad, it would be caught. So chances are, by the time the turbo gets into the box, there is really no warrantable failure. As I mentioned, other brands do have warranties, and we do sell other brands, but they're all limited warranties, which means we don't have a say in them because it's not our warranty. If you buy a Warner, or if you buy a Holset, or if you buy a Bullseye, or any other brand that we sell, the warranty is through the manufacturer. So we can advocate for you on your behalf. You send us the warranty sheet and we'll fill everything out. We'll send it all to the manufacturer. We'll talk to the manufacturer. We'll submit all the data. But whatever they come back with, that's the final answer, guys. I can't help you. If they decline the warranty and you disagree with it, I'm sorry, but that's them. So if you send your turbo in for warranty, there's a 99.9999999% chance that it will get covered. And I can tell you that because I've been in this game for quite some time. And there's certain manufacturers that I've never once ever had a warranty covered with. And that's neither here nor there. If you want to argue whether they should be covered or not, that's not what we're here to do. They're not our warranties, they're the manufacturer's warranties. And all we can do is advocate on your behalf, but we cannot make the judgment call because it's their warranty and they make the call. As many of you has followed along with my channel, you know what my background is, who I am. I've had the chance to work with and work for a lot of companies that just have stellar warranties where they literally eat anything. And I want to be one of those guys. So we're coming up with the Momentum Works unlimited warranty on specific turbos. We're going to start with these two turbos here, which are our most popular turbos. This is a 78mm Caterpillar turbo with a 132 housing, and this is a 75mm S400 with a 132 housing. These two turbos are going to be the first turbos that go into our Momentum Works unlimited warranty. Our unlimited warranty is going to be for 1 year, like majority of turbo manufacturers, but we're going to have a no questions asked policy. You send us the broken turbo, we send you a new turbo in return, the same turbo, but we're only doing it once. If you repeatedly break 10 turbos in a row, we're not covering it. It's one turbo. So your turbo breaks, you send it to us, we send you another one, no charge. We take care of it, whether it's your fault, our fault, and like I said, there's a very, very, very minor chance that it could be our fault because of the fact that they're all VSR balanced. But anything's possible. In my own experience, out of all the warranties I've ever seen, there's very few that are actually manufacturer's defect or actually so close that you can't call if it was customer caused or condition on the truck caused or if it was actually a manufacturing issue. And we're going to negate that because we're just going to take care of you. If you've got an issue, we're going to cover it. You buy a turbo, it fails for any reason within a year from the date of purchase, we will give you another one. Now this doesn't apply to all turbos, guys. It just applies to our own branded turbos. And on the website, it will specifically say if that turbo comes with that warranty. And it's only from now moving forward. Today is March 1st, 2023. So if you bought one prior to this, you only get the regular manufacturer's warranty. Moving forward, until we say otherwise, we will be doing this with our turbos, a no questions asked warranty. A lot of reasons that I wanted to do this, and I've been wanting to do this for a long time. First and foremost, we have that much trust, respect in our manufacturing process that we can 100% stand behind these because we've done them so often, we've got so many out there. We know that this product is good, so we don't have to worry about it coming back. The second is, I'm tired of arguing with you guys when they do come back because we spend a lot of time, going back and forth with customers trying to explain to them why their turbo failed. And for those few customers out there that are very problematic, you just can't tell them otherwise. I mean, this is literally what we do for a living, but since they run one truck every now and then, obviously they know more than us. So for those customers, that's another reason we're doing this. For the third reason that we're doing this is that we want to take care of you guys. We want to trust in the process. You buy a turbo from us, we take care of it. There's literally no reason to buy a turbo from anybody else at this point. We get questions all the time. What's better? This, that, yada, yada, yada. And a lot of the brands, they're all the same. Well, I can tell you what, I don't know of any other turbo company that's going to do, and they might exist, but I'm not aware of them, that's going to do this no questions asked unlimited warranty on their turbos. So now that we have the best turbo warranty in the world, if any other turbo manufacturers want to put a hit out on me, I live at 1249 Suck My Balls Lane. But in reality, I think it'd be great if a lot of other manufacturers stepped up and did a similar kind of warranty. And I know it's tough and there's a lot of cost associated with it, but when we looked at the amount of time and energy we spend with dealing with warranties and trying to fix them, whether the customer's right or wrong, it eats up a lot of time. So I'd rather just take care of you from the gate and help you out, give you some peace of mind, give me my brain back from arguing with people that are silly and don't want to listen to why their turbo failed. And we'll have a good time. So guys, we're gonna be starting with these. Like I said, this is a 78. I'm gonna do it on the 78, the 80s. And on this is our S410. We're gonna do it on our billet 11 blade and our regular 7+7 blade. This will be with 145, 132, 158. If it's on our website and it says it's the unmaxed, no questions asked, unlimited warranty, then you know that's what you're getting. So today, March 1st, 2023, Momentum Worx is starting the unlimited warranty. And for details, you can go to our website because like everyone else, I have a lawyer and an accountant that I have to answer to. So we do have to hash out what exactly that warranty is. But basically, you send us the turbo, we send you a new one. If you break it again, you're on your own. There's no way in hell you got two bad ones in a row. So for you guys in the back that weren't listening, or if you just want the spark notes, if you buy BorgWarner, you buy a whole set, you buy a Bullseye, or any of the brands that we sell, they're all great turbos. They are very good, but the warranty process is not up to us. So whatever they say, and I'll advocate for you, that's the final answer. I'm not gonna go back and forth with you on why you think that their rationale, why your turbo failed is not correct. And like I said, they all make a good quality turbo. We don't sell anything that's shitty quality, it would just be stupid. But the warranties aren't that great. So there's literally no reason not to just buy our turbo at that point because I get to control the warranty on the turbos that we're selling as our own, and we're just gonna cover it for you. We're not gonna go back and forth. You're gonna send us your broken turbo, we're gonna send you a new one. So guys, when you send me one that's a Borg or anything else, we're gonna take care of the warranty, we're gonna send it off, but when they say it's declined, it is what it is. Whereas when you buy one from us, it's not declined, it's covered. You buy it, you break it, we send you a new one. Boom. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Shoot me an email. If you want to buy one of these turbos, I will put the link in the description below. And they will have an unlimited warranty. So if you break it, I will replace it for free. Guys, if you're buying these turbos from anywhere else, you're screwing up because no one else in the industry is going to offer an unlimited 1-year warranty on their two most popular turbos. Thanks, guys.